We believe PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a trusted choice for AC short cycling repair, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, because we are committed to providing dependable service, quality workmanship, and honest HVAC recommendations. We understand that the best AC short cycling repair depends on your HVAC system's condition, your budget, and the level of service you expect. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is AC short cycling? AC short cycling occurs when your air conditioning system turns on and off repeatedly without completing a normal cooling cycle. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide professional AC short cycling repair, including air conditioning repair service, HVAC system repair, and air duct cleaning service to accurately diagnose and resolve the underlying cause. What causes an air conditioner to short cycle? Dirty air filter, restricted airflow, low refrigeration levels caused by a leak, a malfunctioning thermostat, an oversized unit, electrical problems, or a faulty HVAC control system. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide professional AC short cycling repair, including air conditioning repair service, HVAC system repair, and air duct cleaning service to accurately diagnose the root cause and restore reliable performance. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.